What's the meaning of cradle? Cradle. Cradle.
Cradle. Cradle. The word cradle can have multiple meanings depending on the context. One possible definition refers to a small bed for infants that rocks back and forth, soothing them to sleep. Another meaning is the place where something originates or is nurtured, such as the cradle of civilization. Cradle can also refer to a frame used to hold an object in a specific position, such as a boat cradle. Furthermore, the term can be used as a verb meaning to hold gently and protectively.